heritage is something that is deeply rooted. It's an identity, a legacy, a story of the past that shapes the future. For more than 30 years, Blancpain has been establishing special ties with the world's greatest chefs. Because haute horlogerie and haute cuisine share rigorous discipline. They place high values on tradition, innovation, expertise, and true passion. There's an old recipe book passed down by our grandparents. What's inside? It's not only a collection of German family recipes, but it also holds precious memories that open up new possibilities. Our idea was to be the first to offer a German fine dining experience in Asia, giving it a modern interpretation of the food from our homelands. Synergy is very important. Being twins, we share the same drive to improve every day. To innovate means to create a state-of-the-art methods of cooking, placing our heritage on a world-class level. It's the art of watchmaking meets the art of living, with the same quest for excellence.